The shaping tool has a couple of different ways you can use it. It's pretty fun. You can create a bowl shape piece by using this portion of the tool. You can flip it around and insert from the top, and you can create more of a vase shaped piece using this portion of the tool. And then there's this little foot here that you can use, and I'll show you each of these configurations that you can use to create surface design or create a foot on the bottom of your piece. To insert the shaping tool, you want to think about which piece you want to use. If you're going to create a bowl-like piece, you want to clip it from the bottom in like that so that you can press your clay into this portion of the tool. We'll start with that one and then I'll flip it around. You want to switch your wheel into the first speed, the slower speed. And again, make sure your hands are wet. Put a little bit of water onto the wall of your pot. And then with your dominant hand, you're holding the tool arm. Your non-dominant hand, you are pressing the clay into the shaping tool. If your clay starts to crack a little bit, slow down, pull your wheel, your shaping tool off, and just work to smooth out the cracks. And I just continually go back to the bottom of the piece with my non-dominant hand, and then bring the tool arm against the clay, and I press up the inside of the piece to shape the bowl. If you want to switch how you're using your shaping tool, you want to turn your wheel off, remove the tool, and you can flip it around. To use this portion, you want to clip from the top, clip it on. Again, switch to the first speed position. And as with the other portion, you want to bring the shaping tool into the clay, and your non-dominant hand will be used to press up and against the tool, the shaping tool. And as you can see, that changed the wall of my piece. When I'm ready to use this portion, I'll again turn the wheel off, remove my shaping tool, I lift the tool arm, and I put the shaping tool into the bottom so that the point is facing my piece. I then go back to speed 1. You want it slow for this portion. Move my tool arm out of the way. Speed 1. And I'm just going to use this to create some lines in the piece. And I hold it very gently against the piece to create some design. I carefully and gently, with my non-dominant hand, hold the inside of the clay so that I can ensure that the clay stays in center. Okay. Once I've done a little bit of surface design, I can take this piece and clean up the bottom of the pot, which is also called the foot of your pot, and I just press it onto the wheel head, onto the bat head, and pull it in to the bottom of my bowl to clean up the clay that's at the base. And then, as I mentioned before, you want to make sure that you don't have too much water, so I'll use my sponge to clean out carefully the inside of my bowl. Then I'll also use it one last time to smooth the rim of the bowl. You also have some other great tools in your kit that you can use to create surface design or to help clean up the bottom of your pot for the foot. Just hold them gently against your piece, and you can clean up the clay.